Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the FiiO EH3 NC wireless headphones by the company. So these headphones come with ANC or active noise cancellation enabled on them, and as you can see here, they also have high-res audio on both wireless and the wired version. On the bottom right corner, you can also see that these earphones come with a ton of audio codecs enabled. So they have LDAC, they have AAC, they have the standard SBC, and they also have Qualcomm aptX HD, aptX normal, and aptX low latency. So let's set this aside. And as you can see right here, we have another box which has the FiiO logo right here. In here we have the user manual. So as you can see, it is a cloth case. It has a very nice texture. You immediately see the headphones right here. We're going to set this aside for a minute and look at what we have inside. So here we have a Type-C cable. We also have the audio connector. So there you go. So these right here are the FiiO EH3 NC headphones, and as you can see, they look like a really premium pair of headphones. Here on the back you can see a glass texture which the company calls a 2.5D glass, and it looks like it has a blue gradient and a design in the inside which looks really nice. You can see that they have a very soft plush leather material. They are extremely soft and feel like they'll be extremely comfortable to use. And that's about it. But one more thing about these cups is that they are also detachable. So if you simply pull them out, you can remove them and you can attach the company's mesh breathable ear cups on these, but those you have to buy separately. These headphones have 45mm drivers with double-sided titanium plated diaphragms. You can even see some of titanium in here, and this helps with thumpy bass and a great sound response. Right here you have an LED indicator. Next to it you have the power button. So to power on the device, you simply have to press and hold the power button for a period of 3 seconds. And the same goes when you want to power off the device. Right next to it you have the ANC toggleable switch. Here you can see that we have the 3.5mm jack, so that's where you connect the audio cable. And here you have the multifunction button right in the middle, and you also have the plus and minus volume commands. The headphones also allow you to access your voice assistant, which may be Siri or Google Assistant, and that simply happens when you double tap the multifunction button right here. Another good thing about these earphones is that they come with active noise cancellation, as you know, so they're great for travel. They'll be your travel buddies, and the technology the company uses behind this is basically a two-way 4-mic array, which basically uses a feed-forward method and hybrid ANC method to relay back the sounds in the environment. And when it does that, it produces an equal and opposite wave to cancel out the sounds. These headphones can also be connected to the PC, and this enables USB DAC mode. So basically your audio input will come from the PC itself, and it also enables DAC mode. The earphones have a massive battery life of 50 full hours, but that is only when the ANC is turned off. Additionally, it has a standby time of over 1,000 hours, and all of this is possible because these headphones house 1,000 mAh battery, which is pretty sizable. With ANC on, however, you will get a battery life of about 30 hours, which is what you'd come to expect from premium ANC headphones like this. So that's it for the FiiO EH3 NC headphones. We really like the look of them and also how they feel in the hand, and we really hope that you like this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.